And welcome to another episode of Willis Talk. We're here at OMSI at the Dino Works. Check it out.
These ones are the Cretaceous.
Ooh, Cretaceous crocodiles. I was just informed that. And then in behind us,
I'm guessing they're kind of like raptors, I want to say.
they're only found in Arizona, and I think NM is northern Montana, maybe? Down there by Texas. It looks very formidable. Well, this guy was around. Now, why haven't they found anything in here? If it was in right there too, they should be some around these parts, don't you think? Or maybe it was a different species. Oh my goodness, look how big. And look at the spines on its back. All the way down its back to its tail. And look, you got your baby. And another baby. The Supersaurus.
Well, if it isn't Allosaurus.
Only found in Colorado so far.
Big owl. Allosaurus.
Oh, look at that owl.
Where's the owl?
Oh, it was found predatorial all the way up from Montana all the way down. Utah, Colorado. About 4,600 pounds of fierce eating, flesh mongering, menacing, jaw smacking, meating flesh eater.
Fun fact, the spikes on its eyes actually protect them from the sun.
And that was from Twiggy.
Super lizard.
Oh, check this guy out. This filming is brought to you by...
Oh no, he's coming for me. He's gonna eat me.
No, he's actually a plant eater. But he would hurt you. 200 pounds is enough to knock you on your butt, but 2,200? That's gonna wipe you out. Venturous. Long life. Live long, live prosper. Jurassic plant animals. Look at them beetles. No, they've been bugging us for a long time. This is definitely worth the experience for anybody that loves dinos. Check that out. And there's where they figure they all run. These ones. Ooh, check this out. Oh my gosh, that
This is from a Mosasaurus,
a Mosasaurus.
one of the biggest sea dinosaurs in this was.
Yeah, don't they have a one that was bigger yet?
Monster X.
Wow. Check that out. T-Rex skull.
Stan?
Probably the guy that discovered it. Or a name that they liked. And onto the Stegosaurus.
Just one swing from that and you could be dead. Dinosaur or not. A human or
A human, we could be spiked on the end of one of those spikes. Especially when it's got a baby.
it moves right in like this.
Don't look into its eye. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, little baby. Oh, the baby blinked.
It's come to eat me.
No, actually, didn't that one like fish?
I believe.
Twiggy says he believes that it liked fish. And this is much like how a dinosaur fossil is actually found in the ground. And they literally, when they find things like this, they move them in the big hunks as you are seeing them. Now look at this one. We're still in the Utah-Colorado range. And this one weighs 4,000 pounds. How do you say this one, Twiggy?
What do I say about this one?
Yeah, how do you say that?
Cosmoceratops.
Cosmoceratops.
Oh, my bad. Cosmoceratops.
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 Well, even Twiggy can be wrong occasionally. Look at that short body.
And it is A-OK.
That's an order of short ribs right there.
And for the record, people, it is okay pronounced in a different way. Utah.
Oh, look at that. A floating bone for its eye socket.
No, that pretty much is its eye. Look.
Huh. Ultra-raptor.
Not Ultra-Raptor.
No?
Utah-Raptor.
Utah-raptor. Oh, Utah, as in Utah. Weighing 2,200 pounds.
Now this one may be a...
That one would rip you asunder just pouncing on you.
And if there's one thing to avoid, it's those toes. Right there. Those are what you want to avoid.
Yeah, but this raptor, it wouldn't be like that Jurassic Park raptor that you see that cut your stomach open, because those ones are smaller, yeah.
Remember the Velociraptor?
Exactly. This one would, when it pounced on you, would just cut you in half as is.
Bingo!
Look at all the Stegosauruses that they found. Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. Let's not disturb the baby.
And here we have the Quetzalcoatlus.
Ah, there's the one that's coming up.
Quetzalcoatlus.
Look how dinky we would be to it.
But thankfully this thing...
Bet we could fly on its back though.
Thankfully, I'm pretty sure this thing likes fish. Now follow me.
We shall follow Twiggy. Up the stairs we shall go for part 2. Catch us on the flip side.